One book that changed the agri-world is One Straw Revolution, book written by Masanobu Fukuoka, a Japanese farmer and philosopher. Published in 1975, the book presents Fukuoka's insights and revolutionary approach to agriculture and sustainable farming practices. The central idea of One Straw Revolution is Fukuoka's concept of natural farming, or do-nothing farming. Fukuoka challenges the conventional agricultural methods that rely heavily on pesticide, fertilizer, and intensive labor. Instead, he advocates for a simpler and more holistic approach to farming that works in harmony with nature. Key concepts and principles discussed in the book include no-tillage farming. Fukuoka emphasizes the importance of not disturbing the soil through tilling. He promotes the use of straw mulching to protect the soil, prevent weed growth, and retain moisture. Natural cycles and biodiversity. Fukuoka emphasizes the significance of maintaining a diverse and balanced ecosystem on the farm. By allowing plants, insects, and animals to coexist, he believes that natural checks and balances can be established to minimize the need for human intervention. Minimal use of external inputs. Fukuoka advocates for reducing or eliminating the use of chemical fertilizer, pesticide, and herbicides. He believes that these external inputs disrupt the natural balance of the ecosystem and can lead to long-term ecological and health problems. Observation and adaptation. Fukuoka stresses the importance of closely observing nature and adapting farming practices accordingly. By observing the patterns and cycles of the natural environment, farmers can make informed decisions and work with nature rather than against it. One Straw Revolution had a significant impact on the global organic farming movement and inspired many farmers to adopt more sustainable and ecological approaches to agriculture. Fukuoka's philosophy and techniques continue to be influential, promoting a more harmonious and sustainable relationship between humans and the environment.